Hello, my name is Amanda Buck. I'm a fine bookbinder located outside of Louisville, Kentucky. I'm a fine bookbinder specializing in cloth and leather. I also specialize in book conservation, preservation, restoration, and repair. This is a shout out to all of my followers on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you for all of the years of following me, all the likes, and all of the beautiful words you have to say about my work. If you do have a book or a collection of books that need attention, the best way to get a hold of me is through my website at book-restoration.com, and there you will find my phone number and my email. And the best way for me to give you a price is for you to email photographs of your books, and that way I can give you a good estimate, ballpark options for work that needs to be done. Thank you.